Starting a business in 2025 requires more than just passion. You need the right tools to stay competitive, organized, and efficient. In this video, we're breaking down 5 essential tools every new entrepreneur should have in their toolkit to succeed this year. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes, 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 and yes!
Hit it! At the end of this video, you're going to see the finished online blog. Let's start with the number 1 tool is a .online domain. In order to start this type of online business, you need a place for your customers or clients to go to. This will be it. If you're looking to elevate your brand and stand out, a .online domain is a big move. It's trusted by millions and perfect for any business type. It's smart and versatile choice for today's digital entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow, .online gives your business an identity that's professional, memorable, and made to thrive. Also, the word online is in over 500 million searches every month, giving you a major SEO boost. Plus, with exclusive discounts at www.get.online, there's never been a better time to start your blog online. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so now we're on .online. All right, so we're about to put our website together. Let's get our domain first, okay? Get the name you want. Over 3 million active .online domains and counting. And I'm going to be one as well. All right, so let's do this. Okay, wow, I love it. The world's online is searched over 500 million times every month. Wow, number 1 in Europe. Number 2, wow. Oh my goodness. 25 million monthly visitors. Oh, I love it. Let's do this. Okay, I am searching for Inside Your Walk, right? That's the site I would like, InsideYourWalk.online. That will be my domain. Okay, so only $1 if you use my discount code. Look at that, only $1. You better use my code. Now, I definitely want privacy protection, so my site will be protected. And I also want the SSL, okay? That is to secure, make sure it's a double layer. It's a secure sockets layer. The whole total is only $22.91 if you have all that extra protection. But remember, you could do this for a whole year for $1. All right? Now, with my discount code, make sure you use my discount code, IYH. Okay? So we're going to do that. We're going to add the privacy protection. And if you use my IYH discount code, a coupon, you're going to get the discount. Now I'm going to place my order. I'm signing up. This is how we're going to do this. You have to put in your name, your email, your city, the country you're in. Make a password that you can remember, okay? Make sure you confirm that password and a phone number. Once you complete all that information, the complete address and zip, you can create your account. Now you see how easy that was to get that domain? .online was so easy to create. All right, let's move to the next one, all right? You ready? All right. People going to an empty domain is a no-go. And this is where tool number 2, WordPress, comes in. Since you can use it to put together an entire beautiful design website with a blog. WordPress makes it easy to build a beautiful professional looking website without needing to know how to code. With tons of customizable templates and drag and drop tools, you can create something that truly fits your vibe. Whether you're starting a blog, launching a business, or setting up an online store, WordPress gives you everything you need to make it happen. Okay, so now we have our domain name, InsideYourWalk.online. Now this is the blog, okay? Claim your home on web. Hassle-free WordPress. Let's get it. All right, let's do this. Okay, so now what we got to do, we're going to get started and we can create your account with Google, Apple, GitHub, or continue with your email. I'm going to do it with my email, okay? So now I'm going to type in, choose your domains. I have one already. Okay, so we don't have to do that. Use a domain I own. Yes, InsideYourWalk.online. Yes. Now you have to continue and we're going to move on. And it goes really fast, so you don't have to worry. So we're going to connect your domain. So that's what we're about to do. Keep your domain with your current provider and point it to WordPress.com, okay? It's very simple. You get to keep everything, okay? They have different plans available, all right? You can even also start with a free plan. So I'm letting you know that these are the yearly plans, all right? And these are the monthly. I think I'm going to start with a personal monthly, okay? So we're going to do the WordPress.com personal. All right, comes up to $9.80. Processing, almost finalizing. Now, what would you like to create? I'm publishing a blog, okay? I'm going to publish a blog. I want to promote a business because this is something else I'm about to do. Allow people to contact me, of course. Announce events and build and grow an audience. Let me see what else I can do. Yes, okay. So, no, I'm not selling physical goods yet. I'm going to sell services or digital goods and share video content. Now I have to pick a theme, okay? And I'm going with the free. I'm going with free themes, okay, for now. All right, check out all the different themes they have available. Wow, that's a lot. There's a lot to choose from. Okay, but I think I'm going to go with fewer. You see the one towards the right-hand side? They're all free right here. I picked out only the free ones that matches my theme. I think I'm going to go with fewer. Clean, simple, but classy. All right. Sprinkle some magic. Bling, bling, bling. All right. So now I have to type in my title, Inside Your Walk. All right. So we're going to do that. This is really pretty. All right. I like this. And I'm going to change those pictures out, of course, right? And I'm going to put my information in. Welcome to Inside Your Walk. All right, so I'm already going to welcome you as soon as you come. The blog. So you can check out my blog. And it's going to be all about fitness and health and wellness, things you might want to read about to better yourself. We're going to eliminate things that we don't need at the bottom, information that doesn't have to do with us. Okay, so there you go. Typing in our information now. Follow us at Inside Your Walk, okay? So I'm setting this up brand new. And it's all about wellness, healthy eating, how many steps you should take a day, all of that information, everything that's good for you, right? So you can live a long, healthy life. So if I can contribute to that in any way, I'm going to do it. And I'm going to blog about it to make life the best that you can make it, right? So we're going to change up a couple of things. And we're going to put in Inside Your Walk as the title. All right. So far, so good. Excellent. Okay. So did you like the template I picked out for WordPress? All right. See, we're getting it started. I'm getting excited. Now that you have your design website and domain, next you'll need the number 3 tool, SEO Writing. For an awesome blog to work, you need blog posts. And SEO Writing does a fantastic job making them. SEOWriting.ai takes the guesswork out of writing content that ranks. It helps you create blog posts, product descriptions, and more that are not only well written, but also optimized for search engines. Regardless of skill level, it makes the writing process smoother and faster so you can focus on growing your site with content that actually works. All right, welcome to SEOWriting.ai. We're about to do a blog post. We're about to use the bulk article generation, okay? So we're going to use more than one. We're going to do more than one blog post. So I got to enter some main keywords, all right? All right, so the benefits of walking. Yes, look at some of the keywords. What foods give you energy, benefits of getting enough sleep, and best foods to lose body fat. Now, once I do that, it generates titles for me. So once it generates, look at all these great titles for my blog posts. Okay, so this is going on. Now I press run, and I got to confirm everything. I'm going to have 4 different blog posts. Look at this. It is getting busy. It's one of my posts. Look at my blog posts. Key takeaways. I had such a problem sleeping. So I had to do a lot of research, and SEO Writing did a lot of research also. And this is like real information that I actually really did. I took this information and it really helped me sleep because I had such a problem going to sleep. Like I'm getting better. But this, I'm telling you, these tips will make a difference if you're having a problem sleeping and getting a good quality sleep. That's important. You need a good quality sleep. So this, if you read this blog post, I'm telling you, it can actually really help you. So, because I definitely needed it. Look at this. It even got to the conclusion. And it cites. It has like all the facts, all the information where you got it from. Okay, so this is amazing. Look at this. My journey shows how quality sleep changed my energy and focus. Science says sleep is as important as diet and exercise for health. Without enough sleep, heart disease and diabetes risks go up. So I'm telling you, a quality sleep is so important. And I'm going to be blogging, doing blog posts like this every week on Inside Your Walk. So check it out on there, okay? But this shows you what you can do when you have your domain. Get your domain name and get busy. This is the beginning of something big here. I'm so excited. Okay, did you like the blog? I think they did a great job, and it was very informative. Make sure your blog is very informative and that it can help, okay? Help people. I love that blog. So let's move on to the next one. Now that you have your beautiful polished blog, you can use the number 4 tool, Leadpages, especially since they have the absolute best landing pages, which will drive traffic to your website. They are a great platform that makes building high converted websites and landing pages super simple, even if you're not tech savvy. With tons of easy to use templates and drag and drop features, it helps you launch quickly and start collecting leads fast. Whether you're growing your business, building your list, or selling something online, Leadpages give you the tools to do it all with confidence. And now you have your beautiful website, you have your domain name, you're all set. And last but not least, once you have completed your blog, you gotta get the word out to the masses. And it's a good thing we got tool number 5, BrandPush, just for that job. This platform helps you get your business featured on big name news sites like Yahoo News and Business Insider without needing a publicist. It's an easy way to build credibility and get more eyes on what you're doing. Plus, you get that cool as seen on badge to show off your website or socials. All right, so now we're up to BrandPush, okay? Let's get the whole website going, your blog post, whatever you're about to promote. You got to promote it. You may as well do it with BrandPush. Come on. I've used it. Oh, my goodness. Let me tell you, it works, okay? It works. So I'm telling you, over 200 sites. I use it for Inside Your Hustle. Okay, so now once you have that .online, that is the beginning. It could be something big after that. You can move on to something so much bigger. You go to .online and you start from there. And you do all the stuff you have to do to get your name out. Now you're on BrandPush, Inside Your Hustle. I was promoted to 4.9 million followers. Look at that. Over 470 publications, including Benzinga. Let me show you. Okay? Let me show you. Benzinga. Boom. Who do you see? Cece from Inside Your Hustle. A whole article written about me. Okay, this is what you have to do. Now you have all the information, you have your domain name, you have everything. You got to promote yourself. My website, as seen on, look at that. Look at that. Over 400 news sites. You have to promote yourself afterwards. You can't just stop at your name. You have to promote your brand, right? You have to. It's steps to this. And it's so exciting. It really, really is. I'm so excited for you. Okay, let's check out how many people. 52 views? I didn't even promote this yet. I didn't even. I'm so excited right now. I swear, I haven't promoted this. I haven't put it on any social media yet. I'm still working on a lot of parts to this. There's a lot of moving parts. And I already have 52 views. I'm telling you. Go to .online and get your domain. Oh my goodness. There's my picture of me sleeping in my PJs and my alarm clock. Right there. How getting enough sleep transformed my life. A case study. Look at this. All this really good information to help you sleep, with all the citations, all the facts, all the information you'll need to change your life, to transform your sleep habits. Look at this, and all the source links. Look at the finished product. I showed you from beginning to end on how to start this awesome side hustle. I know you got this now. You ready to take your brand to the next level? Grab your .online domain today and give your business the standout name it deserves. Head to the link down below and use my special discount code, IYH. Did you hear that? IYH. Before it's gone. Come on now. Hurry up and check out my link down below. Get that special discount right now. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. And let me know in the comments down below if you'll try .online. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.